which is in the Lakeside neighborhood of Prescott Lakes. Here's a little quick view around the neighborhood. Wanted to point out here from the front just how much space there is between this house and the one next to it. So there's a huge side yard. We'll see it from the other angle when we get to the backyard. But this home has a lot of privacy because the homes on either side are pretty far away. So here we're walking up to the forecourt, which is a nice area to sit down. It is nice and covered and fenced in. There's a view back toward the front. And I'm going to peek along the side here just so you can see how far away that house is too. So a lot of space on either side, and of course the back of the home is on the golf course. So here we are entering. There's a little, I don't know, traffic circle kind of thing here, a little entryway, around entryway. Very high ceilings here. I think we'll see that in a sec. So it's kind of a showpiece as you step in. Lots of natural light, nice big high ceilings here. And then all the rooms kind of come off this area. The one I'm going to start with is what I call the big room. It's just one big room. I guess this was set up as a formal dining room and living room, but really it could be anything. It's right off the kitchen, that little entranceway there, that little passageway that'll go to the kitchen. We'll see that from the other side. Stepping through the entryway here. And let's take a look at this office real quick, which is right off the entrance, overlooking the forecourt with a big window here. Nice big open office, no closet here, so this would be an office or a den. I guess you could make it a bedroom if you needed it to be. And we're just going to go straight through here to the great room. Here's the stone fireplace and entertainment center that's built in. Beautiful views out the back here. You can see the golf course already. We'll go out and get a closer look. Here's the open concept kitchen, and there's the path back toward that office we just saw. Little breakfast room, breakfasting area here, small dining area here. And there's the passageway into the big room as we saw before. Alright, now we're going to head, there's a pantry there to the left, double doors. We're going to head down this way. This is the master suite area. There's a powder room here along the way. And here's the entranceway into the master. Nice big windows, door out to the back with a storm door so you can keep it open, let some breezes in. There's the master bath, which of course is en suite. Nice shower stall, big garden tub. Overlooking the window here. It is very private. There's the potty closet. And the walk-in closet. Get some light on here. There we go. Lots of space in here. And here are the double vanities to my right. Marble tops. Little linen closet there behind the door. And heading back out. There's that powder room again to my right. Entranceway straight ahead. There's the office we saw before. And this is the guest wing. So there is a full bath here for your guests. And two guest bedrooms side by side here to my right. Here we are. Here's the first. Closet's bigger than it seems, I guess. A quick peek at it. And we'll pop over to the other guest bedroom, and here that is. Another walk-in closet. And here to my right is the laundry room. Lots of cabinets, some folding space here. And that takes us to the garage. It's a 3-car garage, pony door here straight ahead. Lots of built-in cabinets here. There's the double car, 2-car door there. Cabinets all the way around. The door there to the left leads to the side yard, which we'll see in a bit. Utility sink. And then back in the laundry room. And now we're leaving the guest suite. That's the office to my right here again. There's the listing agent. She does not convey. From here, we're going to head out to the backyard. And it's a nice one, all pavered. There's the storm door that leads to the master bedroom. Right on the golf course. Some people doing some work on the fence next door. Beautiful water feature here. And I'm going to turn on the zoom lens so you can get a better idea of the view here. Can't really see with the wide angle, but you can really see the dells, and Glasper Hill, the Mancos Mountains, and of course the golf course. All low maintenance landscaping back here. Get some solar lights to light up your water at night. Nice big pavered back porch, all covered. And here's sort of a bonus yard, almost like a second backyard between you and the neighbor to the side, which you can use for heaven knows what. Lots of space. And we'll end with a view back toward the water feature again, and that's it.